to my very first YouTube video. So today we'll be talking about Turbofy. So basically Turbofy is an enterprise grade generative AI platform designed with a human first approach. So what that means is whether you're a seasoned developer, someone technical, looking to speed up your workflow, or you're just an entrepreneur with zero coding experience, so Turbofy empowers you to bring all your ideas to life faster than ever before. So let's take a quick look at the system. So as you have seen, I've already opened the sign-in page. So add my credentials so I can log into the dashboard. So that's it. So this is the landing. So basically the first thing you land into is the app section, which basically shows you if you've designed anything, any project, this is where it's going to show. So I've made my first marketing website. So this is where it is. So below it is the files. So this is basically a cloud file management system. So basically this is where you store all your files except for your local computer. A desktop, this is where you can just upload your files so they don't get lost or in case of your computer crash or anything. So below it is the flows. So it shows all your agentic flows. If you have some agents that you have designed or you have in place, this is where you put them, this is where you run them. Below it is the cloud functions. So basically all your customized cloud functions, this is where you upload your code and everything. So below it is the table section. Basically I like to call this my database section. So as you can see, you find different tables with attributes. So all your database tables show here for each specific project that you are working on. Below it is the activities. So this is like the logs section. So basically anything and everything that you do on the website, from the sign-in process to anything that you have done, executed on this system, on this platform, shows you the date and everything. Below it is the developer API. So here you can manually just add the API codes and run them. Below on the publishing, it shows you all the published API history. So you see my last publish was on the 3rd. So it was successful, as you can see on the status. And below it is the section. This is basically an overview of the API secrets section, so you can put your API keys and the secrets and everything, all the credentials of the different APIs that you have running here. If you want to do social sign-ins, this is where you can put your APIs from Apple to Facebook to Google. Below it is the plans section. So basically this is where it shows your current subscription. So you see my current plan is the professional plan. So it shows also the amount of credits you have. So if you want to upgrade or top up your credits, this is basically where you do it. Below is the general settings section. So basically this is where you find your workspace name. If you want to change it, this is where you can change it. If you want to change the hosting region for the workspace, for your hosting. This is where you do it. And right below at the or at the bottom left corner, as you can see, is Turbofy. So this is where it shows you your credit balances um, and your IP and your usage, basically your subscription usage. So you see your balance there, and right below it, as you can see, in my very bottom left corner is sendwork.io. So basically, this is where this is my workspace. And the good news about this is that you can add as many team members as you want on the same subscription without them having the need to resubscribe on their own as well. So this is a one centralized space for collaboration with your team, or your team members, or your friends, whoever or whatever that you're working on or working with. This is where you add them. So let's go into the settings. So that's my ID, that's my name. Basically, this is where you manage your everything, even the team. This is where you add your team. So guys, thank you so much. Basically, this is the end of the today's video. Just an overview of the interface of Turbofy and how it works. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for your time.